Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my very messy workshop. Had a lot going on at the moment. I mean, we've got the little Suzuki here, we've got plenty of bikes and stuff everywhere. I'm going through some of my uncle's tools and things as well. So we're in a bit of a transient situation at the moment. But I want to sort this out. One thing I do want to do at some point is up here, I want a nice shadow board. I've been here over a year and I'm still working with tools in big boxes. I've got boxes in here with them in, just tools chucked in big boxes. So what I have managed to get hold of around here is I've got this metal tool cupboard, or metal cupboard, lots of shelves in. So what I'm hoping to do is get some boxes, which I have ordered, and sort out some of me tools. So here's the box we got delivered a little while back. I got this from eBay. I haven't opened it yet, so I hope they were okay. Basically, I've ordered 15 storage boxes. And they worked out quite reasonable in the end. Worked out about £2.90-ish delivered. And there you go. I didn't even know they joined up like that. That's neat. Not easy to get one-handed. So I'm hoping just to get a load of these, label them up, and adjust the shelves. Oh, that's going to work alright, isn't it? Obviously, move all this rubbish out of the way. Oh, they're perfect. And then I can put all little bits in there so I can get to them without delving through boxes. Boxes like this, you know, fine for when we moved, but still, you know what it's like searching for tools. What a pain in the backside. Something else I do want to upgrade is these doors. They are good. I tell you, they are strong as. They're very, very heavy, but they're quite gappy. Hang on, if I turn this light off, you can see there's a bit of room for improvement, maybe, to stop the drafts coming in. And also they are single skin behind these, what used to be farm gates, I guess. I don't know. This was already here when we moved in, so nice and strong, not very warm. I've had a few people ask about where do the stairs go. They go upstairs. Believe it or not. But yeah, we have got an upstairs here. Let's go on up. I'll show you, because I've done work up here while we've been waiting for parts for the Suzuki. I got a little light because the lighting's not very good up here, really. It's really quite low level, as you can see. I'm alright. I can just about stand up. Similar situation here, really. I'm halfway through stuff. I've started insulating that roof. Let's get to a bit where you can see. See, that's what it is normally. Probably part of the reason why it's so cold in here is because there's no insulation, or only half the insulation I've managed to do. So that all that is fiberglass, and then I sheeted over with sort of breathable roofing felt stuff. So yeah, I've got to do that up here. But to do that, I've got to move this rack in, which was already here, because it goes right up into sort of, I don't know, the rafters area, is it called? So I'll have to take this down. So yeah, we'll get there. I mean, my dad's been up here. He's been putting in electrical sockets, which, you know, we haven't utilised properly yet. And he actually put all this racking up for me as well. So, you know, we're getting there. I mean, boxes for certain things are good, but for tools are a pain. There's a lot of tools down there I've got to sort out as well. But yeah, it is a really, well, once I've sorted it out, it will be a really good storage area. And I know my daughter's got her eyes on it up here as well for doing her woodworking. So we'll see. Once we've got it insulated, it'd be a lot nicer place to be. Right, let's go back downstairs. Don't need the light. Other stuff I've done up here, or down here, I'm trying to get stuff on walls. So hanging stuff up, those are my little, oh, can you see them? Little dollies. Careful when you drive off them. Yep. What else we got? I'm hanging stuff up. Made me little shelf unit thingy for my Makita bits, which aren't on there because they're spread all around the place because I've been so untidy of late. Got my little parts washer there. That's great. That actually fits in this little drawer down here, down the bottom there. I'm thinking of maybe having it underslung here somehow and then pull out. I don't know. Not sure. But first, gotta have a tidy up. Oh, forgot about this corner. Underneath the stairs. And the CZ, obviously. Underneath that load of rags and stuff, I've got a lovely little lathe, which is 3-phase, and I don't have 3-phase out here. So I am working on that. And under here is all where my scrap goes. So really I need to sort out something a bit more clever for that, for sorting my scrap out. Anyway, I think it's time to have a bit of a tidy up. Right, so we just adjust up, so go in that one, nice tight in there, nice tight in there, and got some room for some bigger boxes at the bottom for bigger stuff. Right, I suppose I start dragging stuff out of those other boxes and filling the little ones. Right, let's grab some boxes and fill some boxes. Yeah. Well, we've made a good start. So over my years I've managed to grab a few spanners. I'm a bit of a hoarder. I'm struggled to get rid of things like that. Always useful for someone or somebody. I don't know, I might sort through them anyway. So we've got all my spare sockets. I've got a couple of socket sets. These are all spare sockets. You break them occasionally, and this is probably a few socket sets worth left over. Sort of special-ish tools. Got an angle finder that, oh, does find angles. Sort of. That's not very good. we'll see. I've got some stencil things there. I've got a thing for me, little burner in there. Just bits and bobs. There's bound to be boxes which don't conform to everything. Lots of spare Allen keys. Got some spare screwdrivers and scrapers. I'll be able to thin out my roll cab as well then. This is small files, and I've got a ton of little needle files in there as well. That lid is not going to go back in one-handed. Challenge. Yeah, challenge given up. This is all my taps and dies. Got a little tap and die kit there. I have got a spark plug repair kit there, but it's obviously seen better days, but it's in a box now. It's in one place. Normal big files. Got loads of them for some reason. Got my G clamps and other little clamps in there. Stud bar and all my hacksaw bits. So that's a starter. Oh, so how many boxes is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I've got, should have 3 boxes left. Yep. It's a start. Alright, let's chuck them in there and see what happens. And here we have it. We've also got a bunch of these things, which join them together if you ever want to stack them, I guess. Put them there for now. But, well, I can see stuff. It's improved it. I've made some space in that one. There's still some stuff in that cupboard. So I'll probably end up... I've got a couple of these old yellow ones. That's me panel beating stuff, or my father-in-law stuff he gave me. Yeah, it's better than it was. What do you think? Right, so if it's alright with you guys, if you don't mind, I'll do the odd workshop update. I mean, when I do my shadow board, I'll let you in on that, and that'll probably free up some tools from there, and I'll be able to put some more crap in there. You never know. Another thing I want to do is I want to get my bike, my push bike, mountain bike, up on the wall over there. Because bikes, as most of you know, are a pain in the backside to store. The black one, the Cube, is the one I use the most. This is my daughter. She doesn't use it as much as I use that one. Believe it or not, looking at me you wouldn't believe it. But hey, so yeah, I think I might put something up on the wall, hang it, oh, I don't know, like that. I don't want it hanging outwards because it takes up too much room. So really I want it flush in, maybe the handlebars nice and high, and then I can put all my biking stuff, which most of it is in that box, up on a shelf up there, I think. Right guys, well I know it's not very exciting watching people tidy up, but hopefully, you know, if you can do something like this. These boxes, like I said, were about £2.90 each, including postage, because I had 15 of them, which I don't think is too bad. If I can work it out, I'll put a link in below to where I got them from. Well, they're eBay, but I'll put a link in anyway if it's any use to people. Right, so if you find this useful, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think, give us some feedback. And why not subscribe to see other stuff? I mean, I'm going to be doing other stuff in the workshop. Obviously, I've got to get the Suzuki back together. Where's my hang on? There it is. So that's got to go back together when I get the bits. And I'll see you next time. Cheers then!